Hello, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. We all woke up this morning to see the massive move in the market, but guys, this might be a bull trap. For those of you that watched our previous video yesterday, I did mention that we're going to see 19K600 or there will be a massive dump. I didn't mean that 19K600 did not move above. Guys, we would have been seeing 17K, 17,900 or 17,800 this morning, but for course so kind, we did above that our expectation. I said it. If you go to my Twitter handle, is there, my WhatsApp page is there. I said it that if we don't go above 19,600, there will be a massive Bitcoin disaster, and so be it, and we remain above. So guys, I just wish Bitcoin will come back to this point of Bitcoin would just come back to this point of 19,700, because there's a very big gap there. And we know what this gap is. But I really like the way this chart is going, guys. If you see this chart, if Bitcoin should do above 30K, I don't think we'll be coming back to 30K so soon, because if you should see the chart, the chart is sweet. You see, the more reason why we keep on having a downtrend, people keep on being afraid of coming into the market. It's just because of one single thing, because the downtrend is just 100% down. But like, just see, the whole of this gap is covered up, and then Bitcoin move to this extent here, to this point of 32, and cover up this massive downtrend and went down here. You get cover up this massive downtrend that went down this place. Bitcoin should come above here. That means it's covering up this massive downtrend and went down here. That means the whole of this place will be covered up. You see, and if Bitcoin move above this point here again, you see, it means it's going to cover up the whole of this downtrend again. And then if you move up here again, you see, correspond to this, and it means it's going to cover up the whole of this downtrend here again. That means by then we'll be above 48K. I mean, the chart is just looking nice to me. That means we'll be forming another downtrend at this particular side, because there will be no trade down here again. But I just wish Bitcoin will just come down. Bitcoin will just come down to this point of 19,700 before we do above 20,800, because if we don't, Bitcoin doesn't come down to this point of 19,700, there's a very big gap there. I'm going to show you guys the gap before the end of the video. If it doesn't come below that, if it doesn't come back to fill up that gap of 19,700, that means even Bitcoin gets to as high as 25, is going to come back again to 19. That means people will be disappointed in the market. But I just wish it to come down, fill up that gap, and then every other thing will be just nice for Bitcoin to go. So guys, you could see our line here. This line has been here for over a month now. That means if Bitcoin should do away with this line, that means we'll be going above 2,800. That means the market will be sure for us. For those that want to lock in, we're going to jump in. And you see the algo I drew yesterday from a 4-hour time frame is still here, because I believe if Bitcoin was going to come down, it was going to come down to this point of 17,700, 17,500, 17,600, but we didn't do that because it was going to be a massive disaster. The market cap would have dropped way below. But as this morning we have gone above 1 trillion. It's a nice entry for the market. It's a nice move for the market, but I believe if we should go above this point of 2,800, that means investors are going to come in, because our next target is going to be above 21,800. And then if we should come back to our previous all-time high here of 2,500, that means there will be a very huge hope of us seeing this point of 32 plus. Yeah, there will be a very big hope of us seeing this 32 plus right here, guys. So whichever way you are trading the market, make sure you don't get carried away by the pump. This pump might be just to pull us in. Like I told you guys, that gap of 19,700 has to be filled. If it doesn't fill, that means we're going nowhere. So just imagine, for those of you who did the trade, like I said yesterday, for those of you who did the trade, like I said yesterday, imagine you bought from this point here, this point right here. Imagine you bought from that point right here, and it has come all the way that. So guys, you have made 8% in the market. And I told you guys our stop loss should be very close to 18,800, and we didn't go below 18,800 again. We didn't go below 18,800 again. We are just circling around 19k, 18,990 something, just like that, until the massive pump came. So imagine guys that you took this market from here, which I did, and you've gotten 18%. Imagine you put $100 into that using our Bybit or our Bygate or our Binance link. Massive profit must have been there for you. So like I said, don't be guided up by the market, and observe the market. This is the daily time frame. Go back to our hourly time frame and observe the market, so you see what the market is trying to do. Because on this daily time frame, if you could see the MACD, is still telling us that the market is still on a sell. Though it's a weak sell, that means the main pump is yet to come. That's why I say we may see 25. That's why I say we may see 25. The main pump is set to come at the MACD. Yeah. So let me just quickly show you guys the gap that will be our major issue, and then probably show you guys the total market cap. So let's go to that right away, guys. So guys, here is the massive gap that might be bringing us way down. This is the massive gap that might be bringing us way down. So approximately we're going to go up like this, and then we'll come back to retest here before we'll be moving up, because this gap here has to be filled. If this gap is not filled, that means there will be a massive dump again when we will probably go to our point of 25k or 21,800. So this gap has to be filled. If the gap is not filled, that means there will be a massive drop, which I will not like that to come upon us after we have suffered the bear market for over 3 months. So I would not like that to come upon us, guys. So if this gap is filled, I will gradually get into the market and expect my take profit to be at 25k before there will be a little more drop that might bring us back to 22 before we'll be heading back to our 32. October is going to be nice, guys. So let's see you guys on our handle. So let's see how it goes. Thank you guys, and see you guys in our next video. I love you all. Do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share with us, and let us know what you have in mind in the comment section below. Thank you.